What's up everyone and welcome to another bonus tutorial. In this video we're drawing a Halloween witch from Among Us. Let's get started at the top of our page and draw the front edge of the hat. So we start on the right side, start with a straight angle line going up and then out towards the top. Now from here it's going to curve this across and then down towards the left side. Let's draw another line going up towards the top. And then we'll bend the tip of the hat coming down and then out. Now we're going to work our way back towards the inside of the hat. Starting from the tip, just going to taper this, coming in and up, angle down towards the bottom. We're going to angle straight up towards the inside edge of the hat. Let's add a fold on the left side of the hat. From this point we're going to step up, curve out, and then down. Then we're going to step back up and just draw a fold, going out and then up. Let's draw the brim of the hat in behind. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to step up, curve up, and then out. Go over towards the right side, go up, and then back down. Let's connect the tip of the brim with a curve. Starting on the left side, come down in the middle, round this out, and then pull that up on the right side. Now we're going to tuck the visor in underneath the hat. We're going to start from the middle, start with the curve going out, and then back in. Let's go all the way over towards the right side. Just going to bend this out, and then in towards the bottom. And we'll connect the bottom of the visor with a curve, coming down, and then back up. Let's move back over and draw the left side of the body. Underneath the hat, just going to curve the body going out, come down, just bend that in towards the bottom of the foot. And we'll go underneath the visor on the right side, curve the body going out, down, and then in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Come down towards the bottom, and then up. Let's go to the inside of the left leg, draw a straight line going up toward the body. And then we'll curve the body going out and then up. Let's go to the inside of the right leg, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now we're going to add the backpack on the left side of the body. Starting from the top, curve out and then down. Now I'm going to move down, curving the opposite direction, going out and then up. Let's connect the ends with a curve, going out, down, and then in. Let's add a shadow on the backpack and the body. Let's start from the outside, curve down, and then in towards the side of the body. And then from here we're going to step up, curve down towards the bottom, round out the shadow, and then pull that up on the right side. We're also going to add a shadow across the bottom of the visor. Let's start from the top, step in, curve down, across, and then up on the right. And that's pretty much it. This is our Halloween witch from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.